Welcome to latest laws. A Delhi special court has granted bail to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, citing lack of direct evidence against him and a potential bias in the Enforcement Directorate's approach during its probe into a money laundering case linked to alleged irregularities in the 21-22 excise policy case. The special judge took a grim view of the ASG's statement as she rejected the agency's assertion that investigation is an art and held that such an approach could lead to biased and unfair imprisonment of individuals based on manipulated evidence. The court noted that this very scenario, as argued by the ASG Raju, constrains the court to draw an inference against the investigating agency that it is not acting without bias. The court further noted that the lack of incriminating evidence directly linking Kejriwal to alleged proceeds of crime, despite EV's claims about his association with other accused in the case, works in his favor. In another news, a Swiss criminal court has sentenced four members of the wealthy Hinduja family in between 4 and 4.5 years in prison for exploiting their vulnerable domestic workers. The court at the same time threw out the more severe charge of human trafficking on the grounds that the staff understood what they were getting into. The court said that the four were guilty of exploiting workers and providing unauthorized employment. The four family members were accused of seizing workers' passports, paying them in rupees, not Swiss francs, barring them from leaving the villa, and forcing them for working excruciatingly long hours for a pittance in Switzerland, among other things.